In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for job market research fast and easy. Google Trends is a powerful tool that allows you to understand what people are searching for. This can be especially useful in observing trends within the job market. Whether you're on the hunt for your next career move or just keeping your finger on the pulse of industry shifts, this tool will be a great addition to your research toolkit. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to Google Trends. Simply open your browser and type Google Trends in the search bar. Click on the first link that appears in your search results. This will take you directly to the Google Trends homepage, and from here, you'll find various options and features to explore. Once you're on the homepage, find and click on the Explore button. This is the gateway to detailed trend data. Now, think about the job-related keywords that are relevant to you. In the search bar, type terms like software engineer jobs, data analyst jobs, cybersecurity jobs, or perhaps tech layoffs. These terms should reflect the areas of the job market you're interested in researching. Press Enter and let Google Trends work its magic. You'll be presented with a trend graph, showcasing the search interest over time for the keyword you've entered. This is your data visualized, and quite enlightening when it comes to spotting trends. But it gets even more insightful. Look at the filters on top. Adjust the location settings to focus on a specific country, or keep it on a worldwide scale, depending on your needs. Then, set your preferred time range to either the past 12 months for current trends, or past 5 years to observe longer-term patterns. For those looking to compare different job roles, there's a handy feature for you. Click on the plus compare button to add more job-related terms. This allows you to see side-by-side comparisons, which can highlight which careers are gaining or losing popularity. Now interpret the interest over time graph. You'll notice a line chart demonstrating how search interest has fluctuated. An upward trend indicates rising demand, which can suggest emerging job opportunities, while a downward trend might indicate waning interest or market saturation. Next, scroll down to explore related topics and queries. This section is invaluable as it uncovers broader career themes or industries and reveals trending searches linked to job opportunities. Here, you may find emerging job sectors or key skills that are gaining attention. By following these steps, you'll gain actionable insights into the job market using Google Trends, tailor your career strategies effectively, and perhaps even uncover meaningful opportunities. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide enhances your job market research endeavors.